First step is we have to take one paper, and this paper can be of any resolution, of any size, because we are going to mold it. Okay, so the first step is, as we can see, these sides are quite clear, but this side is little rough. So we will cut it, but how to cut, that I will tell you. The first thing we will do is we have to fold our paper like this, so that we will have this center crease line here, and then we have right side, and we have to fold it on this center line. Okay, but this upper side should be quite pointed just on the line, and downside we will keep like this, and the same thing we will do with the other side. And then we will have a shape like a hut, but we will keep this upper shape only, and this down part we will cut it. So for that we will just fold it like this, so that we will have a good crease to cut it out. You can use scissors to cut it, and directly with hand also you can do it, but I am using scissor here. Very nicely you have to cut, and if you are small, then you can take help of your parents. Okay, so this part is extra, there is no requirement of this part, so we will keep it away. Now we have this part. Now you can see this one diagonal line for this square, this diagonal line. We will make one more like this by folding this part toward the center line. Okay, now we are having one more diagonal line, and then after same we will repeat for the other side. We will just turn it like this, and then we will make two half, one and two. Okay, now again we will turn it, and we have to just press it, one and two. Then what we line with our thumbs, and with the help of fingers we will push it inside and press it. Then we will have like this. Again I will show you for the other side. You have to press this center line with the help of your thumbs, and with the help of your fingers you can press it inside. Okay, you will have a shape like this, and you can see here line, center horizontal line we are having. So what we have to do, we have to take this right side and fold it upside like this. We have to take this left side now and fold it upside like this. Same we will do with this side. Okay, and one more fold we will do. How we will do, we will take this side and we will place it on this side, just on the end of the edge. Same this side, and okay, now what we will like this, because it was like this first, but I am just keeping it like this only, because we need this in horizontal mode. This line you can see, this center part you can see, we have to keep it like this. Okay, this should be in horizontal mode. Okay, now we have to turn it like this, and we will take this part upside till we have center line here, the line, this center line, center horizontal line, and then after we have to take this part, and we will assume like this edge, this sharp point and this sharp point, we can just make a temporary center line. Okay, and we have to fold it on this. See, this edge, this part and this side should be quite sharp, just on the center line. See, it is not going away from it, or not. Have to place it proper on the line. Okay, on the proper line, and then we have to keep it inside, because we have space here. No, this side we have space, so we are just put it inside. Same we will follow with the other side. We have to fold it on the center line, and then we will put it inside. Okay, so this is not working now. To make it working, I will just give you one rough line so that it will be easy to understand for everyone. We will make 3 parts of it. Just a temporary crease we can make. This pen is not working, but you can see. Okay, so we will just fold it like this one time. Okay, then we have to fold again like this. Then we will have like this, and then you can